Hey guys, giving honor to my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ, because you already know he's so worthy to be acknowledged and praised on this day and any other day. Wouldn't you guys agree? Guys, today I'm doing a nice continuation of my Vlogmas. I'm doing some chicken thighs, spicy and sweet chicken thighs. They're going to have soy sauce in them, garlic, sun-dried tomatoes, tajin, onions, green onions, a little baby carrots cut up in them, some brown sugar, and some cilantro. Come join your girl. So guys, I have my onion diced in little small dices, and the green onions, I have brown sugar over here, baby carrots that I'm going to chop up and put in this chicken once this chicken start going. We have some chili sauce over here, guys. Kikkoman soy sauce. We have fresh garlic back there that I make. I buy cloves of garlic and I put it in olive oil. We have some tajin here, tajin, and we have some sun-dried tomatoes and some crushed red pepper. So I'm getting ready to do the chicken. I already cleaned it, took a lot of the fat off, some of the skin off, seasoned it up. So I'm going to start frying. Putting it bone side down. Don't worry, we're going to get that skin. I love skin on some of them, not all of them. Hear that sound, guys? Sound good, doesn't it? This is a part of my Vlogmas. I've been doing a lot of desserts, but I said, let me make a nice, quick, easy chicken dish. Okay, let me turn that back up. All right, guys. Be back with you. I'm going to start cutting my carrots, okay? God bless you. Okay, guys, so I'm going to start turning this chicken. Oh, look at that beautiful color. And this is my sweet and sour soy sauce chicken. Sweet, spicy soy sauce chicken. This is in my recipe book as well. So now, guys, now since I turned that, I'm getting ready to start adding my onions. The white and the green. Yes, it's all going over, dumped in there. I have my cilantro here cut and washed. Brown sugar here. Already put the crushed red pepper flakes in. I'm going to add like a tablespoon of sun-dried tomatoes, a little tajin. Getting ready to add the garlic, but I don't want that to burn, so we're going to do that almost at the end when we're making flavors to our sauce. Well, we're creating the flavors now. But once we put that garlic in, then my sauce will start coming together. We're going to use 2 tablespoons of chili sauce and a tablespoon and a half of soy sauce. I might need a little more, we'll see, because I didn't salt the chicken because we're going to use the soy sauce. I usually use the low sodium, but this time when I went, I just picked up that one. I don't know why I didn't pick up the low sodium. But anyway. We don't have salt on the chicken. I season my chicken with some turkey seasoning, which does have a little salt in the seasoning, and some Sazon, but I didn't use a lot. Okay, guys, so let's let this bad boy cook down. Look at that, look at that, look at that. You know Miss Debs let you get all up in her pots. Come on now. Yes. So after this cooking bit, this going inside of a casserole dish, and it's going in the oven. We're going to finish off the cooking in the oven once I get my sauce done. Be right back. Okay, guys, I'm getting ready to take up this beautiful, lovely looking chicken. We're going to put it in the pan here, in my casserole pan. Okay, guys, so there it goes. So now I'm going to drain this grease, and you're going to see me make the gravy for this. So I have like tablespoons full. Then we're going to add our cilantro. Sorry about that, guys. Now, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. A little more red pepper flakes because this is spicy, sweet soy sauce, right? Then we're going to do 2 scallops, about to say, right? You can smell what's going on up here. Okay, let's do. We're gonna do 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons. Okay. How do I know it was precise? Because I do. Now we're adding some tajin. That's like 3/4 of a tablespoon, and then we're gonna add our sugar. That's 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Guys, I'm telling you, the smell is crazy. It's stupid manupins up in here. Yes. Oh my goodness. This smells so good. Now, you know I got to taste it to make sure everything is incorporated right. Look at that nice rich gravy. What? See if I need to add any more chili seasoning, any more tajin, any more garlic, soy sauce. Tell me, somebody in the comments, am I pronouncing that right? Tajin, what is it? Let me try this. Don't want to burn my lips off. Oh my. What? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Just rinsing off my spoon. Oh my goodness, guys. Oh my goodness. This is one time I don't even have to add anything. So what I'm going to do is add the sauce. Maybe put a little more water on it. So I guess I am adding some water. Come on. So I'm going to add a little more water and put it over the chicken. I'll be right back to show you guys, okay? Okay, guys, so I'm getting ready to transfer the sauce. Look at that, nice and rich. Oh my goodness. Now I'm going to put 2 cups of rice into some boiling water that I have there. because that's what I'm making on the side. Put 2.5. So I'm going to make it 2.5 because it wasn't quite 2. Okay. So we have our rice going there. I'm going to stir that up, have a little olive oil in there. Now, guys, I'm going to transfer this bad boy. Watch it move. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. All that goodness. All that goodness, huh? All that goodness in Miss Deb's kitchen. Oh, my gracious. Look at that, guys. Come on now. Now, you don't think I'm going to leave that in the pan, do you? Be right back. Wow. Look at those big pieces of garlic. Yes. Ooh. Okay, so here I just have a bag of classic coleslaw. I got this on an Aldi haul that I just did. My rice is boiling in there. I put some salt in the water. Now I'm going to add this coleslaw here. And this is going to be my cabbage and carrots. You don't have to cut up any cabbage. I'm going to put a little vegetable seasoning and ham seasoning in there. It's not really ham, but it's the seasoning from Goya. Give it flavor. A little crushed red pepper and black pepper. This little masterpiece over here. Wait a minute now. All right, so this is about to go in the oven. You see the cilantro, the cherry tomatoes, the garlic, the onions, the carrots. Oh my goodness. Yeah, she's about to go in the oven for a good 30-35 minutes. I'll show you the final results of all the dinner, guys. Welcome to Miss Deb's Vlogmas. You never know what I'm cooking.